Hey guys, it's Josephine. I'm a current sophomore at UCLA, and today I'll be giving you guys a tour of my apartment. I live at Glenrock West, which is one of the university apartments owned by UCLA. To go in, I just swipe in my card. And here's me just standing awkwardly in the lobby and in the elevator. Okay, so coming out of the elevator, the first thing you see is this lounge, which is basically kind of like a study room. Okay, so now we're going into my apartment, so I just punch in my code. So that's the door I came in from, and at the front of my apartment we have a small dining table. Through this little hallway is my room, and this is my apartment mate's room. We have this really big couch in our living room that came with our apartment, and I just like to sit and read here. This is the kitchen area. It comes with lots of amenities like an oven. We have a dishwasher, a sink, lots of cabinet space. We have a microwave. Above the microwave, we have a set of cabinets that we use as our pantry. And beneath it, we just keep our utensils. And then that's our stove top. To the right, we just have some drawers that we keep some plastic wrap. And above that, we have a cabinet that we keep our cups. I don't have very many. Now let's head on over to my room. So you first walk down this little hallway and you see this set of cabinets. And yeah, I just have some pictures there and a clock. And beneath it, I just keep my shoes. In the other cabinet, I just have some boxes. The left-hand side leads inside my bedroom. So first we just see my desk. And that's my bed. I have a huge window with a balcony. I have another desk. And these lights came with the room. I just have my guitar, and the guitar case is right next to it. And then I have a really big closet actually. This is a better overview of my desk area, which is where I mainly study. And I have my textbooks on the side, I have my laptop, my lamp. Now let's head on over to my bed area. Underneath the bed, I just have a lot of under the bed storage, which is really nice. I have this lamp that also came with the room. And on the side of my bed, I just have this little makeshift bedside table, which is just a set of drawers from my table that I just pushed up next to my bed. And there's lots of storage, as you can see. I don't really have that much in there. And yeah, let's head on over to where my closet is. Kind of bare, but I just stuck up some pictures. Open it up and you see my clothes. Lots of storage. On the other side, I just keep some suitcases for when I go back home over the weekends. In front of my closet and against the wall, I just keep my guitar. And then on the wall, I just have some decorations. I got this little banner thing from Amazon that I just stick my pins on. And to the side, I just keep some pictures of me and my friends. I'm not sure why I have an extra desk in my room. I think my room used to be a double, but they took out the bed and they just forgot to take out the desk, I guess. But it works for me because free extra storage space. Above my desk, I just keep my current class schedule. And there's lots of storage space under the desk as well. To the right, I just have this huge window. It gets kind of hot during the day because all that light is coming through, but it's okay because there's blinds. So let's open up the door and head out to the balcony. As you can see, I'm having a bit of trouble opening the screen door. When you head outside, you'll see that the balcony is quite big. You can probably keep a bicycle, a scooter, or a skateboard if you have one, but I don't, so it looks pretty bare. And in front, I just have a lovely view of the apartment right next door. I like looking out here instead. It's a nice street, really pretty, with some nice trees. The only downside is that it gets kind of loud at night with all the cars driving past, but you get used to it. So let's head back inside, and this is what you see. Now let's head on over to the bathroom. It's just a standard bathroom with a sink, toilet, shower. I may or may not have run out of toilet paper, but I'm gonna go buy some today, so it's all good. The apartment doesn't come with a shower curtain, but I just bought a really cheap one from Daiso, and I think it does a job. And that just about wraps up my apartment tour. I lived here for about 6 weeks while I took summer school. This apartment is also in a really good location as well. It takes me about 20 minutes to walk to class every morning, and it's only a 10-minute walk to downtown Westwood. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.